This is like a small carry-on duffel bag. I'm gonna show you everything that's in it real quick. I just used this for the first time a couple weeks ago. It is a vacuum seal bag for your clothes by the brand EKSTER. Comes with this little tiny pump as well. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, kind of address some of the main concerns I've seen, like the sealing issue, which for me was absolutely no issue. This thing is quality. I'll show it to you up close, but I want to give you a visual representation of exactly how much this fits. Okay, I've got 4 pairs of shorts and 2 pairs of pants going in here. Mix of t-shirts and collared shirts. Pretty wide opening too, like that it opens right in the top here instead of just a skinny opening on one of the ends. Got our socks, 6 pair, boxers, and you got to cap it off with something a little heavier, just a light pullover. Now it's got these straps on both sides, this side and this side, which is going to help you pull this zipper closed. It's not difficult, but it does give you a little bit of resistance. What I really like is it does not get caught, nothing like that. Like it's not one where there's like a little flap sticking out, but it is like a sealed one. And if I had to say, the negative reviews are talking about not fully sealing it right here. You can see exactly where you have to have this seated. It's possible that you leave it just the slightest bit open because there's more resistance here at the end. I mean, if you don't pull it closed, and I think that's why they have these extra straps, if you don't pull it fully closed, of course it could leak. And it's relatively close to the size of our duffel. Comes with this rechargeable, just one button. It's a Type-C connector, and it holds 20 charges. So even if you got the 4 bag set, you could still use this. You just slip it on, you can kind of hear it go into place, press the button, and that's it. Now, I kind of like to help, you know, just kind of shape it, but you really don't even have to do anything. It does have an auto stop, or you can stop it when you think it's done, but just depends on how much you're going to put in here. But it's already greatly reduced in size. I don't think it's getting any smaller. And just turn it off. It's already sealed, so it's not coming undone, but I can just put this cap on. And then, for the real test here, it almost fits sideways. Look at that. You saw how it looked before. Look how much room there is in here now. This is crazy. It takes up about half of the space of the duffel bag. I'd say it compresses it down by, you know, almost half of its size. Not quite half of its size, but pretty close to the volume that you're going for. So essentially, I could nearly double the amount that is supposed to go into this bag. So the amount of space that you're saving with this bag is pretty awesome. I mean, I've got 6 full outfits right here in the palm of my hand. Definitely heavy. This bag is thick. It's IPX7 waterproof, so this could literally be submerged in water and it would be just fine. It worked fantastically for me, had room for the pump in my bag. This is just gonna stay completely sealed. Like I said, it's got the little strap on it, so when you want to open it up, you can instantly hear the air releasing. And look at it puff up to almost its full size. It's probably a little bit compressed now, but really, really cool. These bags are the real deal. I think they have a great seal on them. You just got to make sure you fully pull it closed, and these little straps will help you with that. But fantastic design on everything. I don't really think it's missing anything. So if you're traveling, pick one of these up, or 2 or 4, buy EKSTER. Hope that helps.